Making an order is easy. With only a few steps, your product will be on its way. Now, let's start with choosing the desired electrolarynx for your day-to-day use. After you press the Price button, you will be forwarded to the next step of choice for color, charging type, and warranty. Then scroll just a bit, and you'll be greeted with the Add to Cart button. The next part is a second look through the order before it's placed, and choose a faster or a slower option for delivery. Forward to Proceed to Checkout, and then you'll have to add the correct billing information of choice and pick the desired payment option before placing the order. Then it's our turn. The team of logistics will forward the information you gave our CRM system to the packaging team, and they'll take care to inspect and secure your future product for delivery. Inside the box of your LabX electrolarynx model, you will find everything necessary to start a new chapter of communication in your life. For more information, please visit www.labxtrade.com.